Hello? Wait, you're saying you have a lead on the Jigsaw Killer's location? Witnesses saw him buying portal mags at the 7-Eleven on 25th Street? What are we waiting for? Let's go!
Do you kindly want me to get you a glass of water, Commissioner? Thanks. Grasp. You're welcome. Herpes. God damn it, I want to sleep. Isn't that hard to just put back in the spot?
Freeze!
You're under arrest, Jigsaw.
My penis is surely bigger than yours.
Why, that's impossible, Commissioner Gordon. I'm huge.
He's got 3 arms. We're no match for him. Oh my god. You weren't kidding.
But if I were you, I'd be more concerned about your problem over there.
Over here?
No, over there.
Over there? Where?
Look where I'm pointing. Look. God damn it! I don't have time to deal with this bullshit today. Yes, right there. It's your son, James.
Little Gordon! No!
Yes, it's little Gordon.
What do you want? What is this?
What do I want? My face on the $1 bill.
You must be joking.
Do I look like I'm joking? Well, after all, you should know what I want by now. After all, this isn't the first game of mine you've been a part of. Hello, Dr. Gordon.
That's Commissioner Gordon.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hello, Commissioner Gordon. For years, you've been snorting and sniffing your way down a dark path into despair through your cocaine addiction.
Here comes the Gordon!
I have no idea how you're still the Commissioner of Gotham City Police. You have a mask on, one of my favorites. You have 5 minutes to find the key to unlock it. The irony is that you must follow your nose and face your addiction in order to save your life. If you don't find it in under 5 minutes, the mask will pull your mustache straight off your face. Make your choice. Congratulations, Mustache Man. You still have your mustache. What in God's name are you doing? Stop it! Stop it immediately. Now what is he doing?